Now very quickly, we want to revise Corynebacterium, diphtheria. It's a gram-positive rod, so obviously it's violet in color, and it has a special characteristic that it has metachromatic granules. In the chapter of morphology of bacteriology, there is also a topic this metachromatic granules. They are also energy storehouse, and we can also call them volatile granules. And they can only be seen when the staining is done by methylene blue. And they have a special character that when you stain within a rod, these metachromatic granules, they appear red in color while the surrounding boundary is stained blue. Now the Corynebacterium diphtheria, obviously it causes the disease diphtheria. In Urdu, this is called khannak, and we have a vaccine called DPT. Diphtheria pertussis, which is kali khansi, whooping cough, bordetella pertussis, and T is for tetanus. Now this diphtheria has an exotoxin. We should know the mechanism of action of this exotoxin, which is ADP ribosylation of elongation factor 2. And so there is inhibition of protein synthesis. Now at this stage, you should know that there is another exotoxin which has the same mechanism, and that exotoxin is of Pseudomonas. And Pseudomonas is a gram-negative rod. It has blue-green pigments. It is oxidase positive. It is non-lactose fermenter. It is an enteric organism and it causes various diseases. Now coming back to the diphtheria. Now its lab diagnosis. Very quickly, staining. We have two stainings. Gram staining, it's a gram-positive rod, and methylene blue staining is done to visualize the metachromatic granules. Then you want to isolate it, and you need special culture media. What are they? Loeffler's media and telluride plate. And obviously the simple blood agar. Now what is this disease diphtheria? Usually a young child will be affected that has not been properly vaccinated, and it has a very important hallmark, that is a gray colored pseudomembrane. And this pseudomembrane is in the oral cavity. Now this pseudomembrane can extend down into the larynx and can cause respiratory obstruction. Now this pseudomembrane continuously release exotoxin, which can further cause myocarditis. And this exotoxin releasing from this pseudomembrane can also cause the nerve paralysis. So there can be the regurgitation of the milk from the nose of this specific child. Now, very quickly, Corynebacterium diphtheria, it's gram-positive rods, it has metachromatic granules, volatile granules, it has an exotoxin. We should know its mechanism of action, ADP ribosylation of elongation factor 2. Pseudomonas has same mechanism, its lab diagnosis. We have Loeffler's media and we have telluride plate.